came to eat some food here. It's almost 3 o'clock. We need some food. So this is their menu, but the thing is they put breakfast, lunch, dinner, all items together. So many items are only available for dinner, but we did order few items. This place looks busy. Hopefully the food is going to be good. Some nice paintings. We ordered thali meals. It comes with we ordered with the fish curry, fish fry.
That's how you eat it.
And we are also waiting for some other curries to come. Oh, take the plate, yes. Noodles, yeah. Chicken you can put it in the in the food.
You think it's more? I can go.
And kids order some noodles.
Let me get it.
We have some
I'll be generous and give you the
chicken curry. So these are the curries that goes with it. They have some yogurt curry, some pickle, sambar. So guys, look at this. I'm buying this mud kulfi. Hopefully it's a tasty one. So all together we enjoy the food here. They were expensive. The chicken curry was not good, noodles was not good. But I like the fish curry and the fish fry was also good. So guys, I'm going to try my mud kulfi. The only reason I bought this because it was looking really good. Unfortunately, I need help because of the nails. I can't open it. Okay, that's what it is. He said it's mixed fruits inside, so we're gonna try. It's so good. It's really good.
Exactly.
It's really good. Mhm.
Bye, baby. Hello.
Give me that one.
Look
Oh, that's
at the
mommy.
monkey family here.
You wanna give it a go?
Yeah, look at all the babies. You
Look at the babies.
That's a mommy section. or daddy came and everybody got a baby.
Is that one pregnant?
This one.
Yeah, right?
I don't
Isn't she pregnant too?
Looks so.
Yeah, that one is.
They always pregnant.
Oh, he's getting up. Oh, thank you, sir. Baby, where? Sitting on the road?
Oh, look, they're fighting also.
Why is the one face so red?
സൈസ് കുരങ്ങുണ്ട് ഈ
Maybe they did something bad.
Ah.
They put in that.
ചിന്നാറിൽ ചെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കണ്ടുപോകണം
Okay.
കുഞ്ഞിന്റെ കൊടുക്കും അതുപോലെ പേരിനെടുത്ത് കൊല്ലും പേരിനെടുത്ത് കൊല്ലുമല്ല പേരിനെടുത്ത് വായിലേക്കിടും അടുത്തവന്റെ ഭാഗത്തുനിന്ന് പിടിക്കും ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഈ മനുഷ്യൻ ഈ തല തെരഞ്ഞു നോക്കൂലേ
Yeah.
അതുപോലെ നോക്കും.
Look how the mother is grooming the baby there.
Oh, the pregnant one?
Hmm.
Yeah, what was your mouth thing? I don't know where it went. Hey, you remember what you said? I have no. There's no one here.
Baby,
look,
mom is cleaning the baby's tail. She's looking for. The front a little bit. Let's go. He's alone.
No. This looks like some block.
So you want gas for your noodles, right?
Janu, mummy said you need the gas cylinder.
Enough gas.
എന്റെ വയറ്റിൽ ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് അത്. He has methane gas inside him.
I can kill people. Can we give you samples?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
എന്ന് പറയാനൊന്നുമില്ല. അത് ഞാനിപ്പോ നമ്മള് നാട്ടിൽ താമസിക്കുന്നിടത്തിലാണെങ്കിൽ എന്തൊരു കായ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഒക്കെ പറിച്ച് കളയണം. തെങ്ങിന്റെ ഒരു തേങ്ങ കിട്ടൂല. തെങ്ങിന്റെ മച്ചിങ്ങ മുതല് വാഴക്കള്ളുണ്ടായി ഇരിഞ്ഞ് തിന്നാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതൊക്കെ ഇരിഞ്ഞ് തിന്നാൻ പറ്റിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ പള്ള കളയും. കളവില്ലാത്ത കാട്ടിൽ ഒരു സാധനം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ഒരു ഇത് നെല്ലിക്ക. എന്താണോ നെല്ലിക്ക മാത്രം എന്താണോ അത് കാട്ടിലെ ഇവന്മാര്
I think transport bus stand.
ready?
Yeah.
Feel good. Back to 2.0. Back.
So here they're making fresh chips. So if you want something, they will let you taste them. They will give you like this. So you can taste it and then you can buy. But I felt it as salty, so I'm not buying too much. So guys, we did some shopping. We bought some this banana chips, yoga chips, all that. They were freshly frying them there. So we bought some from there. The good thing was we were able to taste everything before we pick something. So now our last stop for today is Padma's, because some of my kurtas I bought, they need to be shaped and fixed. So we are going there to collect them back. So we ended up buying a saree. So I'm trying to see if I can find a ready-made blouse. So if you buy anything from Padmas like kurtas or any ready-made items, they will repair it for you for no charge. So he's actually working on one of my kurtas.